this the speed I could show this fan on because we can't find the remote for this fan, and we can't show the light on for you. But there's no pull chain. It only controls the remote fan. Because that's what I wish. In the 2 rooms, we did do the pull chains. My room didn't. The light chain got taken off. In the outside room, the light chain and not. We already demonstrated the light with the chain. In the fan chain, we showed all speeds of those room fans, but not the office and not the master bedroom, because they're locked. I'll show it to you next time. So I hope you enjoyed this video.